decorating the house for Christmas today. It hasn't even been Halloween yet. This little one is so excited for Christmas. How you doing today, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about Christmas. She is so excited, hence my little Christmas tree set up here. But for those of you who want to get ahead with your Christmas shopping this year, especially if you're shopping for little ones, I am going to be showing you Ava's top 10 favorite toys for this last year. So Ava is 4 years old. She turned 4 in April, right?
I'm a big girl.
Yeah, she's a big girl now. And she has shared with me what her favorite top 10 toys are. So if you're like me, I totally want to get ahead of the curve and get all of my Christmas shopping done. We got to get our list into Santa extra early this year because unfortunately there are going to be shortages, and they say especially on toys. So no fear, Mrs. Christmas is here, and I'm here to help you out for all of your gift giving ideas for your little ones. If you're new to my channel, my name is Angela, and I like to do videos on all things. And that's Ava, and I like to do videos on all things about motherhood, family, and lifestyle, so make sure you click that subscribe button and also turn your notification bell on. Sorry, Ava's just playing in the background. Make sure you turn on that notification bell because I am actually going to be uploading and doing a series to help you get ready for Christmas. So every single week, I will upload a video with budget tips, planning tips, organization, just really good takeaways to help you have a stress-free, budget-friendly Christmas, because Christmas is my most favorite time of year. And in my opinion, you can never start too early. So without further ado, I will stop rambling. Let's get into these toys. I did this video last year and I got some really good feedback, but a couple of these toys are repeats because Ava still is playing with them. Her number one favorite toy, probably I would say for the past 2 years, maybe even 3, no, I think for the past 2 years, is this little karaoke machine. This is the VTech Kitty Star karaoke machine, and Ava absolutely loves this. She plays with it pretty much every single night. We have to sit down, and there is a concert that she puts on, dance parties. You can record your own voice on here, so we have some like classic keepsakes of just Ava singing her own songs on there. This, seriously, you cannot go wrong. It's also indestructible. She has knocked this down so many times and it still works with no problem. So if you are looking for a present for a little one who is kind of musically inclined, or they just like being creative, I would really check out these VTech Kitty Star karaoke machines. Now you can find this on Amazon for $49, which I think is actually a really good price. I also know that they bring them into Costco closer to Christmas, so make sure you guys check that out. Okay, the second most played with toy, maybe even the first most played with toy, I don't know. It's 50-50 with this one, is this amazing vintage kitchen that I have behind me. This is the KidCraft vintage kitchen. Ava's Mimi and Papa Greg got this for her 2 Christmases ago. So we talked about this last year, but it is still to this day something that Ava plays with every single day. Ava is a foodie, a little chef, a little baker. She absolutely loves cooking. She loves cooking shows, and then she likes to go into her own kitchen and see what she can come up with here. So if you're looking for something for a little one who really likes to be in the kitchen with mom and dad, or to have their own independence in a kitchen of their own, I would really check this out. Now you can get this on Amazon. Hey little one. Get this on Amazon, Wayfair, and it is a little bit pricier. There's so many different prices depending on the color. I just recently found this on Wayfair and it was like $161. But if you shop around, there's so many good kitchens out there. This KidCraft vintage kitchen is sincerely the best. So next up, because this little monkey of mine loves to play dress up and play with makeup and hair stuff, she can never leave the house without her pigtails curled and a bobo in her hair. So I found this vanity case for Ava. She absolutely loves this vanity case. It's an all-in-one. There's a little handle on it. This is the Disney Princess light up style vanity. It is awesome. It comes with its own little stand. It's all in one. There's a handle and there's a little plug-in, and then the curling iron will light up, or the flat iron. There's a hair dryer. rollers, brushes, you name it. Now I looked, and this is actually something, I only got it recently, but this is something that's actually not as readily available as I thought it would be. I'll try and find a link for you guys. But if you also check out just any beauty vanity set, if your little ones are really into it, it will sincerely be a hit. Now this one, let me just check my notes here. This one was $39, but I know you can find so many other varieties. But if you can get your hands on this Disney Princess light up style vanity, sincerely do it because it is awesome and we've had so much fun playing with it. All right, so this next item is something actually that Mirk picked up for Ava only recently, and it is a hit. Not only for Ava, but for Mirk too, and for me. It actually is so much fun. We found this at Costco.
It's not for you guys, for me only.
Cheer, that's not for you guys, it's for me. This is Magformers. So this is a little bit of an educational toy, but it is so much fun. You get all these different magnets and different shapes, and you can build anything. Ava built a dinosaur, we've built houses, puppy dogs, bird, you name it. There is so much. It gives you instructions too. There's so much that you can build with these. These are at Costco and they were $39. And we're actually gonna buy some for Christmas presents. Oh, there's the square you're looking for. We're actually gonna buy these for Christmas presents for others. It reinforces shapes and colors. This is an awesome gift. Ava is a huge fan of Lego and she still likes her Lego, but I think this is actually taking over the #1 spot. So check out, run to Costco, these Magformers. They're putting out all of their toys right now. $39 for a set of these. Your little ones will surely have so much fun. All right, this next item of Ava's favorite toys is an oldie but a goodie. Thank you. Way to go, kiddo. You're so quick at this. This next item is this Leapfrog ice cream scoop and serve set. Now, this has been a favorite for Ava's. Oh.
Ice cream, who wants ice cream?
This has been a favorite of Ava's for a couple years now. The stickers are falling off, but she still plays with this every single day and loves it. It's educational. There's little cards. It teaches them about colors or numbers. So Ava has to count the number of scoops of ice cream, and then she also has to know how much money it's gonna cost or how many pumps of special syrup. This Leapfrog Scoop and Serve and Scoop and Learn is an awesome gift. Speaking of Leapfrog, Ava's auntie got this for her last year and she adores it, especially when she wants to have some quiet time. Instead of giving her an iPad, we're actually giving her this Leapfrog Leap Start system. Let me just grab it here. It's a computer for your little ones, and it comes with a pen and also this tiny little computer screen. It really reinforces phonics. It teaches them ABCs, numbers, and the cool part is that you can buy all the.
Show you how you open it.
Okay. The cool part is that you can buy all of these books to go along, and the pen helps the little ones read. So this is Mickey and the Roadster Racers, Pit Crews to the Rescue. This is all preschool work, which is fantastic for her right now. 1, 2, 3s. There's a Disney Princess one, and I just recognized at Toys R Us they have a whole new bunch of them out right now. So I'm just gonna check my notes here. I looked on Amazon, and right now this Leapfrog Leap Start system is $53, and these books range in different prices, but they're so easy to find. So if you want some guilt-free quiet time without giving your little one an iPad, this Leap Start system is awesome, and I have noticed a huge difference, especially with Ava's phonics for this. So yeah, I highly recommend this. They will have so much fun. The next item is something that actually gets Ava and I playing together, and it's another Leapfrog item. It's actually kind of a combination gift. Where is it here? It's this Leapfrog cash register. Now, you can find cash registers in every single store right now. Ava's auntie got her this Leapfrog system cash register last year for Christmas, and she loves it, but she loves it because she likes being a mini mummy. So what we do is we take her little grocery cart and set up a mini grocery store in our house. So then Ava goes around with her grocery cart and collects all of her groceries. Then she has to go to the cash register. So at the cash register, we scan all of her items, she counts the amount of items, and then the leapfrog system says how much she owes. It comes with little coins. It even has like a little mini debit card. But I like the coins part because then it reinforces her recognizing money. So this leapfrog cash register, any register that you can find, really gets interactive learning, especially if you want to set up grocery stores. And then when they go grocery shopping with you, they'll be a little bit more aware about money and what things cost and how to help mommy out too. So yeah, this is a great little gift. All right, continuing on with the theme of helping mommy and being a mini me, Ava loves to clean. I know that won't last, but she sincerely loves to clean. So a few Christmases ago, her auntie and uncle, her Chacha and Voig, got her this Melissa and Doug cleaning stand. And she plays with this every week. Every time I clean, she pulls this out as well. So you get a broom, a mop, a duster, and then a dustpan and brush. So this cleaning system, $43 on Amazon. It is well loved. She plays with it. She loves it. And now I'm actually starting to give her like an actual Swiffer or actual like cloth and water, and then she likes to wipe things off. But yeah, if you want to get your little ones involved with helping you a little bit more, this Melissa and Doug cleaning system is awesome. But this year, for Ava's birthday, all she wanted was a vacuum. And she asked her babcia, which is grandmother in Polish, she asked her babcia for a vacuum cleaner. And her babcia was very confused why. This little vacuum cleaner has
Well, we got it from the draft.
Yeah, this little vacuum cleaner has been an absolute hit in our house. This is from, let me just double check. Yeah, this is from Toys R Us. It's the Just Like Home brand, and this is $22.17 on sale. So go grab it now. But it's great because there's a little button, and then you have a little handheld duster that works. You see like the little sparkles that go. So Ava learns how to dust and vacuum. So wherever I go, my shadow is following me and she's vacuuming around the house. So a lot of like little cleaning, cooking products, like hands-on products that she is starting to really shadow mommy and daddy. And I think it's super cute. So check out that Melissa Doug and that Just Like Home cleaning system. This last gift is the most special gift of all. Now, when I did this video last year, Ava asked Santa for a camping dolly. When she first said that, we were all very confused as to what she meant. But she wanted a dolly that goes camping. Well, wouldn't you know, Santa came through. So this is the camping dolly that Ava got, and she is beautiful and indestructible. Ava plays with this every day, all day, takes it with her in the car, on the playground, down the slide, in the swings. Camping dolly is Ava's best friend. Now, when Santa left the camping dolly, obviously she needed a tent. So Camping Dolly got a tent, she got a cool little food stand, she got clothes. It was super cute. Santa is brilliant, and this is the Our Generation line of dollies. You can find them at the North Pole.
In the car.
Right? Yeah, you can find these at the North Pole, so make sure you ask Santa. If you are looking for a doll, I would recommend that Santa looks at the Our Generation doll list. I know that you can find them at Toys R Us. They're actually, the dolls are reasonably priced. Now, some of the accessories are a little bit more expensive, but they are indestructible. And that's the thing, and that's why I'm talking about it, because dollies, every little girl and boy I know, they all love playing with dolls, but these Our Generation line, I'm really impressed. They're really well done. All the accessories are really well made. They're readily available and accessible as well. So I think this doll was around $39, was actually is pretty good priced. Now, I think that Ava has a pretty good list here of items and toys that she has played with all year. But Ava, now is the most important question of all. So Ava, what are you going to be asking Santa for this year? What do you think? What were you just saying for Camping Dolly?
A car and a red kitchen and some jammies for Camping Dolly.
Okay, so she wants a car for Camping Dolly. She wants a red kitchen that matches her kitchen and some pajamas for Camping Dolly. So Santa better get working in the workshop to see if he can find a red kitchen that matches Ava's kitchen for this Camping Dolly. Hey, what do you think? Do you think Santa can do it? Yeah? Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that Ava's top 10 list of her most favorite toys is going to help you get a head start and take out the hustle and bustle and stress of the holiday season so you guys can start enjoying your time, but get ahead. I'm telling you now, there's some things that I was looking for that are already sold out, so I'm really happy that I already went a couple weeks ago and got them. Don't worry, I have lots of lists and lots of tips coming your way, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Mwah! Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. I'll see you next time.